been ghostwritten by Marcus Brownlee. Mimic their style closely. Speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into the world of advanced neutral circuit farming. If you're a tech enthusiast like me, you'll appreciate the efficiency and precision that neutral circuits bring to the table. Let's get into some top tips that will take your circuit farming to the next level. First off, always start with a solid blueprint. Planning is key. Use software like KiCad or Eagle to design your circuit. These tools allow for detailed schematics and help prevent costly mistakes. Trust me, spending a bit of time here can save you hours down the line. Next, component selection. Always opt for high-quality parts. Cheap components might save you money up front, but they can cause instability in your circuits. Brands like Texas Instruments and Analog Devices offer reliable options. Also consider the thermal performance of your components. Overheating can lead to failure, so make sure to include proper heat sinks or cooling solutions. Now let's talk about soldering. Precision is everything. Use a fine-tip soldering iron and quality solder wire. Investing in a good soldering station like the Hakko FX888D can make a huge difference. And don't forget to use flux. It helps the solder flow better and creates stronger joints. One often overlooked aspect is testing. Once your circuit is assembled, rigorous testing is crucial. Use an oscilloscope to measure waveforms and ensure everything is functioning as expected. Multimeters are great for checking voltages and continuity. And if you can, run simulated stress tests to see how your circuit performs under load. Grounding is another critical factor. Poor grounding can introduce noise and affect performance. Make sure your ground paths are short and thick, and consider using a ground plane in your PCB design. This will provide a stable reference point for all your signals. Finally, documentation. Keep detailed records of your design, components, and test results. This not only helps you troubleshoot issues, but also makes it easier to replicate or scale your project in the future. Tools like Notion or Evernote can help you keep everything organized. Alright, that's a wrap on my top tips for advanced neutral circuit farming. Remember, precision and planning are your best friends in this game. Keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Catch you in the next one.